If you're like me, you don't have just one email. You have multiple emails for various reasons. And I'm going to show you a really easy way to link multiple email accounts to your iPhone. Let's jump in. All right, we're going to start by going into our settings here. And the easy way is we're just going to search for mail, and we want to go to mail accounts. And when this comes up here, you'll see I have a couple of accounts already linked, but then you can go to add account, and then you just select what the type of account that it is. In my case, it's a Google account. And then here, you just want to add in the email address that you're trying to access. So I'm just going to add that in there. Click next. It's going to ask you for your password, and then you click next. And then it's going to say you're signing back into iOS. This was one I had linked before. In your case, it'll just say you're signing in, and you'll click continue. And it's going to say that it wants to access your Google account. That's what we want. So you say continue again. And then here, it's going to bring up a screen, and these are all the access points that your phone is going to link to. So you could toggle these on and off at your discretion. But in my case, I want to have the email, which is the main reason that I want that. I want the contacts that are listed within that account. The calendar, so if I add any events or anything to that account in the calendar. And then in my case, I don't need the notes. I don't use the notes app within that account, but you could turn that on as you want. And this is always adjustable later on if you want. And then you click on save. And there you go. Now you can see that one is listed among your accounts that you have in there, and you are all set. And with that, you have multiple email accounts linked to your phone. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you in the next one.